I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to disconnect and completely unpair from a Wi-Fi network. So simply go to settings. The easiest way is to swipe down and tap on the settings icon. That takes you to this main settings page. Now on this page, select Wi-Fi. That opens the Wi-Fi settings page. And then the next thing you want to do is scroll down to saved networks. Now this is going to show you all the networks, all the Wi-Fi networks that your watch has ever connected to. So let's say you want to completely forget this particular Wi-Fi network. So tap on it and then scroll down and tap on forget, and then confirm you want to forget that particular Wi-Fi network, and that's it. Once you do that, then your watch will never automatically connect to that Wi-Fi network. So that is basically how to log off from a Wi-Fi network and completely forget it on your watch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.